Good morning, students. This is your book for chapter 5, that is inserting objects in Word 2013. Okay, in this chapter you will mainly focus on editing and formatting in Word art, inserting clip art and pictures, then inserting and modifying appearance of drawing objects. In Word 2013, non-text elements in a document are called objects. Non-text means no numbers or alphabets. That means, for example, pictures, clip art images, graphs, or else any tables which you have written, or else word art, all these are called as objects, which are not text. All those are objects. All about word art. Word art, it is a feature in 2013 which allows you to display your text in an artistic manner. That means if you want to say something in an artistic manner, that means using pictures, images, or else tables, something, then by using this word art you can express your feelings. That means you can say whatever you want to say. If you want to represent something in table manner, that means you are saying that in January you are having 30 days, or else some days, or else names of it days, like that, then you will use this Microsoft Word art. This word art is used to represent all the tables, graphs, clip arts, etc. Okay, then while you open a Microsoft Word art, okay, just click on the button insert. Okay, here you can use whatever you want. You can use whatever you want. Word art, look here. Here word art, you can use the letters in such a way how you can write it. Look here. That means inside the letters that is empty and you are having only the borders. Using these color themes, look here. The colors are changing. I am selecting here, then the colors are changing. Then reflection, that means the words will reflect like this. Glow, they will glow, the word will glow, whatever you have written. Okay, it can convert to regular text into word art, or else anything. You can change the font size, you can change the appearance of the font, and you can give the color whatever you want. Okay, we will discuss in your next class.